Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I've made more than $590,000 with Shopify dropshipping. I will even show you how I did manage to get a 100k payout. Everybody dreams about this, everybody wants to know how to do this, and I will show you in this video. I will show you the ads, I will show you the product, I will show you the product page, I will show you the store, I will show you everything. I don't leave anything behind. So don't waste any more time and let's take a deep dive into my laptop and show you what's behind it. Okay, we're in my laptop right now, and as you can see, we're in the back end of my Shopify store. And as you can see, we're going back way to 2021 when I started running this product and when I first saw some big success. I think this was my first biggest success ever on Google Dropshipping. I've never had like 550k in euros in 1 month. I've never done it before, but especially like these special days, like you can see here, we did 50k days straight up and then it jumped down way back. I will tell you what happened, why we jumped back down very much, because I think we could scale this much more bigger. But as you can see, we had a conversion rate of 3% and we had one big bestseller, and I will show you. That's this one. 6.3k sold in just 1 month time. And as you can see, when we go to the 13th and the 16th or 17th, I believe, this one, here you can see we did like 200k in 4 days. So that's amazing. It was like very good. You can see the conversion rate was insanely high because we had a very good optimized product page. Product pages are not the ones that you are maybe used to. I was already thinking about funnels. So I will show you what I did and what this product is and how I made a 4% conversion rate on my product page. But first of all, let me show you the product and its ad. Well, I found my creative back on Minea. As you can see, in just 7 days here, it just said like created ad May 10th and May 17th. We had 4k likes and almost 1,000 comments and 1,000 shares. It's crazy. And the ad copy, guys, it's so super simple. It's a German store, so don't mind the language. I'm not a German as well, so I don't know if it's even correctly spelled, but it did well. And as you can see, this one was the creative. I will open it up. I will mute the sound. Why I think this creative did work very good. The hook is very good. You will see like instantly bad feed to good feed. And it was summertime, getting ready for summertime, 17th of May. The summer was getting ready in Germany. So people wanted to wear flip-flops. People wanted to show their feet. But their feet are disgusting, so they want to fix their feet, and this tool helped them fixing their feet. So if you check the landing page, it's maybe a little bit different than you're used to. I love to use funnels because sales funnels work very well. And back in 2021, like 3 years ago, I already was testing these kind of funnels. So as you can see, you see just a female with the visual working with the product, and you see how convenient it is to use. Well, here you got some hooks, and this is like show your feet and let your feet shine again. That's just what it's saying again. These visuals show how easy it is and how convenient it is to use this product. I did some scarcity and urgency as well, 50% off. This action is till 23:59 p.m. And here it is like, okay, this is what the product does. This is what the product packaging includes, and then the call to action. So as you can see, people needed to scroll down to see the price of the product. That's how it works, and that's very awesome because normally the Shopify pages show you the product price, show you what it does. I do think that still works very well, but when you just use this kind of funnel, even on the mobile page, I can check how this works. On here you see, it looks very clean, looks very good, as you can see. And then you have the call to action. And this one converted with 4% conversion rate, as you can see. Here we got some social proof, so this is very nice to have as well. As you can see, it worked very nice. It worked very nice. The reason why I think this product works very well is it did solve a big problem. Females wanted to go out in the summer, wanted to show their feet in the flip-flops, but are insecure about their feet. They want to fix their feet, but they did not want to go to a salon and fix their feet and pay a lot of money for it. This tool you can use at home, just on the couch, and you can fix your feet instantly. So I think this is a very good product with a very good hook, and I think even this summer, this product will kill again. So of course everyone will ask, okay, but Jesper, how was the ROAS? What was your ad spend? How's the profit? I don't have access to the business manager anymore because my business manager got hacked, but I do have the P&L sheet, and I will show you the P&L sheet, how it looks. Here you can see the date. Here you can see 13th of May, 51K, 14th of May, 51K, 15th of May, 52K, and 16th of May, 54, and then we jumped to 15K. Well, the problem was with this is that we use these kind of funnels, and we can only make on Shopify 20 of these funnels. My VA needed some more space and some more room, so she deleted this page to make a new page about the new product. Keep in mind, it's a numbers game, dropshipping. We tested 20 products a day, so she needed this funnel to empty and make ready for a new product. She did not know we were scaling this product so hard. So that was a big mistake. But here you can see 51K and till 16th of May, this is 209K together. And here you can see what the cost of goods is, 15K, 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 and 16K, so very, very good. And the ad cost 12K, 18K, 20K, and 21K. So you see we started with a ROAS of 4. It was insane on the first day. So we're like, okay, let's bump up the budget. But the ROAS dropped instantly, but the revenue did not skyrocket. So we kept on balancing on ROAS 2.6, 2.6, 2.8. But as you can see, we did the first day with the ROAS for a 20K profit day, 15K, 13K, 13K. So in this time span of 4 days, we made 63K in profit. And in total, we did, let's go to the first one of May, and we go to the last one of May. We take the 1st of May, and we go to the last one, and this is the last day of 30th, and I check. This is 544K in revenue, and the profit. So as you can see, we made a nice profit of 63K in 4 days, and in the total of this month, we made 540K in euros, and the total profit was 142K in profit. So I think this is a very good month. 100K in profit plus is insane, but I still think till this day, it can be done again. So I will dare you, use this product, use this kind of funnel, use this kind of market, because the market is very big. Germany is big. But the USA market, of course, is much more higher, much more bigger, but a little bit more competitive. I think this product can still work till this day. And I will try to run this product again around May, when people are getting in the mindset of, okay, let's fix my feet so I can show them on the beach clubs, and when I go on a holiday, I can show my beautiful feet. Especially women will pay a lot of money for the insecurities. This one fixes a big insecurity. How bigger the insecurity is that you solve, the bigger the money you get. So how bigger the problems you provide a solution to, how bigger the money you receive. So this is why I always work with products that solve big problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger money you get, the bigger impact you make. So this product did help a lot of people with fixing their feet, and this is why I made 500K in just 1 month. So as you can see on my screen, I even did manage to get a 100K payout. Yes, it was 101K, but after fees, of course, it was 97K. But this was like a big milestone for me. I just wanted to receive 100K on one day. I did want to manage that. I had this big goal. And finally, I reached this goal of a 100K payout. So this is how my life changed instantly in 1 month. And I knew, okay, dropshipping is still a big thing. Dropshipping will change my life. E-com will become bigger and bigger and bigger every year, and even this year we saw a big rise of e-commerce. So as you can see, everything is still possible with e-com. This is maybe 2 years ago, but this applies still to this date. I will show you soon some products that are still killing it right now. So if you want to keep up to date with me and showing you more products, more advertisements that works right now, please give a like, give a follow, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel because this is my first YouTube video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will pin my social media in the description so you guys can get in contact with me. For now, enjoy the rest of your day and see you to the next one. Peace.